Yo, we back with another video, and today we have a ship out on the Air Jordan 6 Infrared 23. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first off, I want to say these are a fire pair of shoe. These really don't come out anymore. You gotta be real particular on when you get them, where you get them. But let's go ahead and get these wrapped up real quick. Okay, so I have a station where I do this at. That's how I get them. So on these next videos, I'm gonna show you how we get this done. But this is just a quick one of us getting these shipped out. So now I gotta get them in the box. But first I gotta get these inserted in this correctly. Like the red on the black really go crazy. All right, so now let's go find the box. So we got it in the box. Now I gotta find some business cards and some bubble wrap. Yeah, with this broken box, I'm gonna just get tape to fix that up. You see, I just broke it down all the way, so I don't have to pay the extra cost of having a bigger box. I just taped it all the way around. And that will be it for the ship out video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more, go ahead and comment. Now we out.